Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to control an RGB LED using an Arduino. This is the perfect project for beginners looking to get started with an electronics and programming. So let's get started with an introduction. In this project, we will use RGB LEDs and Arduino UNO. I know you all aware about the RGB LEDs, but still I will tell you RGB LEDs are the fascinating compound capable of producing a wide range of colors by mixing red, green, and blue lights. When combined with an Arduino, you can easily control these lights to dynamically lighting effect and vibrant color display. This tutorial is totally based on the basics of connecting and programming an RGB LEDs with an Arduino. So let's get started. What components we needed for this project? So now we required a breadboard, a board for making temporary circuits, then a Arduino UNO microcontroller that is used to control the LED. Then we required a USB cable that helped to connect the Arduino UNO with the PC. Next we use RGB, a light emitting diode with a red and a green blue channel. Then we required some jumper wires. So now we attach the RGB into the breadboard, but remember, don't forget to use resistor if you don't use this type of RGB to limiting the current into the circuit. Then we connect ground channel of RGB with the ground pin of Arduino through black jumper wire. Then we insert blue, green and red jumper wires as respective colors of RGB channels. Then we connect them with the pin 11, 10 and 9 in the same order as we insert the wires. To all this connection of wires, then we connect the USB cable with the Arduino UNO and a PC. Now the time to explain the code and write the code into the IDE. So firstly, we open the Arduino IDE on your computer. After open this, we start writing the code. First, we define the pins for the red, green and blue channels and then we create the setup function to set these pins as an output pins. Next, we will define a function setColor that sets the colors of RGB LED by adjusting the pulse width modulation value of each pin. Finally, we will create the loop function where we can use this setColor function to display different colors of RGB LED. After completing this whole code, we click on the upload button in the Arduino IDE to upload this code into your Arduino. As you can see, our RGB LED is now cycling through different colors. You can customize the colors and the delay to create your own patterns. So that's for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Till then, thanks for watching.